And unfortunately, we have more heavy rain pushing in and more flash flood warnings have been issued, including for northern Greene County and also into Sullivan County. And these warnings are going to be in place for the next few hours as another round of heavy rain moves in. So notice all the green on the map. Those are flash flood warnings from Hancock County to Sullivan County, Washington County, Virginia to Wise County. Heads up, and even into Washington County, Tennessee, as some heavy rains are going to be moving back into your area very soon. Now, looking back over the past 24 hours, notice all of the red on the map. These are the spots that have picked up more than 3 inches of rain in just 24 hours, especially from Bristol back to Kingsport, Gate City, Sneedville, Jonesville, and a few spots in pink indicate locally near 6 inches of heavy rain, and all of these waterlogged areas are getting more heavy rain. Notice this area of rain pushing into the Tri-Cities now extends all the way back to Knoxville and close to Nashville. So we have a few more hours of some rain to go. Now the good news is it looks like the heavy rain is going to be tapering off this afternoon, and we will see clearing skies later in the day. Here's the future track. Notice by noon the heavy rain is done. Still some scattered showers all the way through around 4 p.m. Then finally, it looks like by around 6 o'clock, the rain is out of here, maybe a sprinkle or two, so it will improve late in the day, but we have several more hours to go until we can get to the all clear from any flooding. Ricky, over to you on the race forecast.
Yeah, and so unfortunately, with all the heavy rainfall this morning, we are going to continue to deal with issues out at BMS. It is a dirt track. It's not a typical race weekend. It's not like we can just send the jet dryers out and dry it off as soon as the rain stops, okay? So they have to go out, and obviously the dirt's got to get corrected and kind of managed a little bit. They're great at doing that, but it may take a little bit longer this time than you're typically used to if you are heading out at the race. Now, it's scheduled for a green flag a little bit after 3:30. Not too optimistic that's going to happen, but we are expecting rain chances to diminish as we head later on into the afternoon and evening, as David was mentioning. Here's a 24-hour radar loop, and you notice we had that band of storms yesterday morning, produced a lot of hail across the area. Then we had a bit of a break, more rain in the afternoon and evening. Then the overnight storms, 2 a.m., some more hail across parts of Bristol, and now we're dealing with that kind of last hurrah as the frontal system sweeps through the area and eventually starts to clear us out as we head into the overnight. But before that, more additional showers this morning, some thunderstorms, temperatures getting up to around the low 60s by around lunchtime and then dropping slightly after that front starts to move through the area into the upper 50s for the afternoon and evening, and eventually down into the 40s by 10 o'clock. With the skies starting to clear out tonight, it will be a little bit chilly. We're looking for lows to drop to around freezing in the area, some spots below freezing. Mountain City around 30, 31 in Jefferson, 31 into Clintwood, and 33 into Bristol, Kingsport, around 34 into Johnson City for the overnight lows. Rain coverage over the next couple of days. The good news here is we're going to have a few dry days, Monday and Tuesday, but Wednesday into Thursday, yeah, rain chances increase once again, back up to the scattered category for those couple of days. But at least for a while after today, we are looking at drier conditions moving in, and that's a welcome sight for sure. As we look at the extended forecast here, you'll notice a couple of things. First off, Wednesday into Thursday, there's those rain chances again, and I will throw out that we could see some thunderstorms on Wednesday, and then maybe some snowflakes or a wintry mix in spots on Thursday. This is probably going to be a mainly higher elevation thing, but interesting nonetheless. And look at the overnight low, down to 25 degrees Thursday into Friday morning. Very chilly air heading our way as we head into the middle to late part of the week. Don't forget, you can always get the latest forecast on our Storm Track 5 mobile app, and it's a great way to get weather alerts too. When an alert comes out, we'll send you a push notification on your phone, and you can get the latest radar, open it up, and see what's happening.